Your brain doesn't transform because you hope it will. It transforms because you train it. Each time you repeat an action, your basal ganglia starts hardwiring it, stripping away the friction, saving your mental energy. In the early days, your prefrontal cortex is working overtime, forcing you to push through resistance. But by around day 21, dopaminergic circuits begin rewarding the very act itself. The struggle fades, the action becomes automatic. This isn't about motivation. It's synapses forging a reality you designed, a new identity built connection by connection, until your brain can't tell the difference between what you practice and who you are. And here's the part most people never understand. Once your brain forges that identity, it will protect it like it's protecting your life. It will reject anything that doesn't match it, and it will pull you almost uncontrollably toward everything that does. Because habits aren't just what you do, they're who you become. And once your brain believes it, your entire reality starts to rearrange itself around that truth.